Make your first $1,000 on Fiverr in just 60 days. Hello everyone, it's Gaurav from the other affiliate, and today I will be showing you how you can make your first $1,000 on Fiverr in just 60 days. But before showing you the method and the tricks, let me show you some of my results that I got when I was using Fiverr in 2018. So these are some of the results. I made around $960 on Fiverr in just a month of August, and I completed around 60 orders, and my average selling price was $20 because I just selling 1 gig. Actually I made around $1,200, but as you know that Fiverr takes 20% of your commission, so I left with $960. So moving on to our method, in this video you will be learning how to make $1,000 or even more with Fiverr, even if you have not made any money in the past, and this method need no skills and no experience. And I will be telling you some secret software that you can use that would help you to do all the work for you. And believe me, 99% of the sellers don't know about this trick, and there are some exclusive bonuses that I will be giving you if you stick to the end of this video. And these are some of the bonuses. Now if you have worked on Fiverr previously, you know that it's a very difficult to rank your gig on the Fiverr, and if you don't end up in the front page of Fiverr, you will not get any sales. So the first bonus is how to rank your Fiverr gig so you can start generating your sales. Okay, my second bonus is my secret gig that I used to make nearly around $960, and still no one, I just checked, still no one is using that gig to sell on Fiverr. Actually it's a little bit of black hat technique gig, you can say, but you can use it. I will also be giving you 100 Fiverr gig ideas if you don't have any idea what to sell on Fiverr. Secret hack that less than 1% of seller know about to receive 100% commission. Now it seems too good to be true, but yeah, I know one trick that only 1% of the seller know about, but a very few people are using this trick to generate 100% commission on Fiverr. And my favorite bonus of today is how to generate affiliate commissions using Fiverr. Not by using the Fiverr affiliate program, but any affiliate program you want to use, whether it is ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other product you want to promote as an affiliate, you can also use that. So let's start with the method. So what the method is all about, it's about you selling thumbnails on Fiverr and making a gig about selling YouTube thumbnails on Fiverr. So I just searched on Fiverr YouTube thumbnails, and these are the results that Fiverr showed me, and I will be showing you how these sellers are making a hell lot of money just by using this crappy gig on Fiverr. So as you can see, this guy is selling his gig for $5. If we click on this gig, let it open. He currently have 3 plans, that is one $5, one $15, and one for $40. That includes 10. So if we calculate just by taking the basic plan, that is for $5, and till now 641 people reviewed this gig, and 6 orders are in queue. So if we calculate this, 641 plus 6 into 5, so he already have made around more than $3,000 just from the basic gig. And I will be telling you about some software that you can use to generate these thumbnail in just a minute or two. So the software I was talking about is this Thumbnail Blaster, and it's a pretty much good software, and I have used it in the past and I loved it. I will tell you why, because this software had some amazing features, and if you are a content creator on YouTube, this is a must for you. But here we are talking about selling as our services on Fiverr and making some good money out of it. So let's see what this software is all about. So it's just a simple 3-step process. They have pretty much 50 plus templates you can choose from. You just need to select a template, edit it, and just export it, and you're good to go. These are some of the templates example that you can use, and this software usually sells for around $97, but currently they, as I have told you earlier, they are running a sale, and this software will cost you around $37 if you plan to buy this now. So if you plan to buy this software, you can click on the first link in the description, that is theotheraffiliate.com/thumbnail blaster, and if you go through my link, you will get some exclusive bonuses that I have talked about earlier in this video. So let me give you a glimpse about the bonuses that I was talking about. The number one bonus is Fiverr profitable plan, and this bonus consists four more bonuses, that is Fiverr profitable plan, 100 Fiverr gig ideas, Fiverr first page gig rank, and Fiverr funnel craze. So Fiverr profitable plan is, as it seems, that how to make a profit from selling gigs on Fiverr. The second bonus is 100 Fiverr gigs ideas. The third is Fiverr first page gig rank. If you don't know how to rank your gigs on Fiverr, this is the bonus that you need. And the fourth and my favorite is Fiverr funnel craze. And what this training is all about, it will teach you how you can sell your gigs on Fiverr for almost free and collect that buyer email address and later sell them some high ticket affiliate products that I was talking about earlier in this video. The second bonus you are getting is Fiverr gig secrets, and this bonus includes optimizing your Fiverr gigs for maximum conversion and maximum sale. The second is secret hack to receive 100% commission. As I said earlier in this video, you will be learning a secret hack to receive 100% commission. The third is creating personal website for sale. If you don't know how to create your portfolio on Fiverr on a third party platform, you can use this training to make that website. The fourth and the most important is how to leverage social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Quora in your initial days on Fiverr to generate some initial sale and reviews to rank your gigs. And the third is, and this is the top secret that I am sharing with you. I don't share my secrets with anyone, but I decided to share this secret with you because I don't use it anymore. The number one secret that I've discovered accidentally that helped me generated nearly around $1,000 on Fiverr, and I can guarantee you, using that gig you will generate a minimum of $100 within your first week. If you have no experience of using Fiverr. Okay, so just click on the first link in the description, that is theotheraffiliate.com/thumbnail blaster, and you can see the link on your screen also. Just click on that link, get the product from, and hit me on my email, that is bonus@theotheraffiliate.com, and I will send you all these bonuses within 24 hours. So that is from my side, and thank you for watching this video. As always, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.